I hope you all are good. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Allied School Salman Farsi Campus. Let's start our lesson 18. Today we will read Unit 6. The story is The Fishing Baboon. Let's start the story. There are 5 paragraphs of this story, and it's a story of a baboon who possesses an amazing skill. In paragraph 1, the writer joined Lowell and Dorothy on fishing trip. Lowell is the name of the baboon. Lowell bounded along on all fours ahead of them, spraying the water in all directions. But he did not go far from them, as there were leopards in this area, and they have a strong liking for baboon flesh. Paragraph 2. In this paragraph, they came upon a broad stretch of very deep water. There they encountered the floating bridge. This consisted of a narrow line of very long, thin wooden poles laid from one bank to the other. There is no handrail of any sort, and the underwater pools were very slippery. So it was very dangerous to cross the bridge. Paragraph 3. In this paragraph, we came to know that they had reached their destination. The writer felt an astonishing change in the behavior of Baboon. He was usually very problem creating, but when he was by the river, his behavior was almost civilized. He started behaving like humans, and it was quite amazing for the writer. Paragraph 4. In this paragraph, Lowell could be seen as a good fisherman. He made a loud whoop to express his excitement whenever he felt any jerk. Dorothy, the master of the baboon, thought that monkey can get sunstroke, so she bought him a floppy sun bonnet to wear. It was of lemon color with frilly edges and blue forget-me-not motif. Paragraph 5. This is the last paragraph. In the last paragraph, we came to know that Lowell was an honored guest at the village. He was treated like a king because when he went on fishing trip, he came back with his boat full of fish. So the villagers took him as a sign of good luck. He also gave them respect by his exemplary behavior. Okay, that was the end of the story. I hope you have enjoyed it. Okay, student. Now you will read the story silently. Okay, and try to understand the story. Okay, it is very interesting. You will enjoy it. Now let's move on to the vocabulary. Match the words from the text in the left-hand column to their definitions in the right-hand columns. The first word is venturing, and its meaning is daring to explore. Okay. The second word is innate, and its meaning is instinctive. Third one is murkiness. and the murkiness means darkness. Number 4, petrified. Petrified means terrified. Number 5, teeming. And teeming means swarming. Number 6, bait. Bait means lure. Number 7, embedded, and it means fixed. Number 8, retorted. The meaning of this is answered sharply. Number 9, ludicrous, and the meaning is ridiculous. Number 10 is exemplary, and the meaning is perfect. Okay, is that clear? Now come to the next page, reading for understanding. There are 10 questions. The questions are: number 1, why didn't Lovell go far from the sight of Dorothy and the writer? Number 2, describe the different ways in which Lovell went along. Number 3, explain how the floating bridge worked. Why was it a Herodias crossing for the writer? Number 4, in paragraph 3, which word tells you that Lowell was usually a loathsome animal? Number 5, how did Lowell behave when he was by the river? And how did this behavior compare with how he usually was? Number 6, describe some of Lowell's behavior which makes him sound human. Question number 7, what did Lowell do when he felt the fish bite his line? Why didn't he remove the fish hook himself? Number 8, how did Lowell express his excitement? Number 9, why did Dorothy make Lowell wear a sun hat? What kind of hat was it? And how did it seem what Lowell felt about wearing it? And number 10, how did Lowell seem to bring the villagers good luck? Student, these are the questions, and answer to these questions have been given on the screen. You can see, and your homework is you will write the questions and answers in your notebook and also learn them and also learn the vocabulary. Okay, I hope you have understood the lesson. That's all for today. Thank you very much.